Hey everybody, welcome, welcome to Hidden Horror. Thank you for spending this time with me. I appreciate that. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to Hidden Horror. How are you? I'm here to just bring you this information regarding the Oakland County Prosecutor in the trials, the cases of James Crumbley, Jennifer Crumbley, and then she also handled the case of the mass shooter, Ethan Crumbley, which we all know James was dad, Jennifer's mom, and then Ethan Crumbley, of course, he was the mass shooter at Oxford High School. Jennifer Crumbley filed a motion to have the Oakland County prosecutor, her name is Karen McDonald, and I want to share a picture so we know all the actors that we're talking about. So I'm sharing my screen. I want to enlarge it. This is Karen McDonald. So here, this is Dad. This is James Crumbley. This is James Crumbley's attorney here. This is Jennifer Crumbley, mom. Now she looks a lot different over these last three and a half years. She has kind of gotten gray hair and she's gained some weight. But this is Jennifer Crumbley, and this is her attorney here. So I just want to put that picture up so you see Jennifer Crumbley, James Crumbley, and then the Oakland County prosecutor, Karen McDonald. There were other prosecutors also involved. But we're gonna focus just talking today about Karen McDonald, and then this is Judge Cheryl Matthews. She presided over the cases of James Crumbley, Jennifer Crumbley, and then we have a different judge that presided over the case of Ethan Crumbley, okay? But I'm here to let you know that Judge Cheryl Matthews, she has rendered her decision and she's not going to remove the Oakland County prosecutor that prosecuted all three, Ethan, James, and Jennifer, the Crumbleys. Okay, she's not going to remove her from the case, and she also sanctioned the defense. So let's go into the article. Let's talk about it all. Okay, so the article that I'm going over is on clickondetroit.com. It's titled "Oakland County Prosecutor Won't Be Removed from Jennifer Crumbley's Case, Judge Rules." So the judge denied the motion to remove her, and this article is dated April 1st, 2025. The article is by, okay, I don't see the writer's name here. So I'm trying to just go through the article really quickly and see. I don't see the writer's name, so my apologies. Okay, I apologize for that. I don't see the writer's name. But let's get into it. A judge has denied a motion seeking to remove and disqualify Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald from Jennifer Crumbley's case. Oakland County Judge Cheryl Matthews denied the request to remove the prosecutor and appoint a special prosecutor because it lacks jurisdiction to decide the motion and defers to the appellate court's jurisdiction. Today's ruling underscores our commitment to the fight for justice on behalf of the Oxford victims, said McDonald. The court showed it has no tolerance for the defense's misuse of the legal process, and they have been appropriately sanctioned. Let's be clear about what this case is really about. If not for Jennifer Crumbley's actions, Madison, Tate, Hannah, and Justin would still be here. I will never stop fighting for them. I will never stop fighting for them, for Tate, for Madison, for Hannah, and for Justin. Madison Baldwin, Tate Mirror, Hannah St. Juliana, and Justin Schilling. These are the true victims, along with the others that were injured, that were hurt. They are the victims, not James, not Jennifer, and certainly not Ethan Crumbley. Okay? We have to remember them. The court found that the motion was filed for an improper purpose and imposed sanctions on the defense counsel for violating court rules regarding the filing of documents. This comes after Jennifer Crumbley's lawyer filed the 178 motion earlier this month, which was one of several motions filed by Crumbley as she seeks a new trial. It accused McDonald's of suppressing secret agreements with two key witnesses and said that the prosecutor's office hired two public relation firms to conduct a smear campaign against Jennifer and James Crumbley, aiming to sway public opinion and taint the jury pool. Well, this case had gained notoriety across the world because it was the first time in the United States that parents of mass shooters were charged with a level of homicide. I don't think she had to hire anybody. This case exploded in the media. Let's continue. She did so by using taxpayer-funded public relation firms that were hired in secret by the prosecutor's office, and they hired the first one of those PR firms within hours of the shooting, Jennifer Crumbley's attorney, Michael Desi, had said. McDonald had expressed her frustration with the motion, asserting the Crumbley's actions speak for themselves. We don't need a smear campaign to convict Jennifer Crumbley. Her actions convicted Jennifer Crumbley. And to top it all off, she then testified she wouldn't change a thing, McDonald said. Yeah. She was asked, would she change anything? And she said no, which blew my socks off. And the reason it blew my socks off is because so many people were hurt, were injured, are still suffering, still struggling, living day by day in the aftermath of this mass shooting in Oxford, Michigan. And the idea that you wouldn't change anything, you don't think you would, you could, is disturbing. It's really maybe a lack of accountability, because you have the power. You impact your kids. You are their idol. They're seeing you day in and day out. They're copying you. They're mimicking you. They're mirroring your behaviors, your actions. And when you don't feel you have impact, you have power to lead them, to show them, to display to them how they should be, it's just very sad and frustrating. Okay, so I want to go and show you just a short video. So let me share my screen now. Let me see. Oh wait, did I? Okay, let me grab the video. My apologies. It's just a short one, so it won't take long once I get it up. I thought I had it ready, but I didn't. So, okay. So let's just, no, this is not the correct video. Uh-uh. One second. I, I have the correct video. I don't know why I clicked on the wrong video. Let me see. Make sure. One second. This video is so short. I think it's less than 1 minute. No, it just told me it posted, so let's make sure it did this time. Okay. Okay, my apologies. So let me share my screen now. So this is a video by CBS News Detroit. It's titled "Judge Denies Motion to Remove Oakland County Prosecutor from Jennifer Crumbley's Case." So let's enlarge it here, and yeah, it's less than 1 minute.
The judge has denied a motion to remove Oakland County Prosecutor Karen McDonald from Jennifer Crumbley's case. Not only did Circuit Judge Cheryl Matthews deny the request, she also sanctioned Crumbley's attorney for filing it. Crumbley's attorney claimed Prosecutor McDonald ran a smear campaign against his client and her husband, James Crumbley. Jennifer Crumbley was convicted in February 2024 of involuntary manslaughter, in connection with the 2021 mass shooting carried out.
My apologies. I just want to rewind a little bit. Did you see the rock that had the initials of the victims on there? That's a really nice sign that says Oxford Strong. And then, okay, so that's Hannah St. Juliana, Tate Muir, Justin Schilling, and Madison Baldwin. And you have it near the high school. It's Oxford right here. That's really nice. I like it in gold, and I like it with the heart. So I'll play it from here. My apologies.
Jennifer Crumbley was convicted in February 2024 of involuntary manslaughter, in connection with the 2021 mass shooting carried out by her son at Oxford High School. McDonald sent CBS Detroit a statement on the ruling. It reads in part, quote, "Today's ruling underscores our commitment to the fight for justice on behalf of the Oxford victims. Let's be clear about what this case is about. If not for Jennifer Crumbley's actions, Madison, Tate, Hannah, and Justin would still be here. I will never stop fighting for them."
Okay. So I just wanted to share that information that Karen McDonald, the Oakland County prosecutor, she will not be removed for the Jennifer Crumbley case. Motions going ahead, hearings going ahead. They're not going to replace her. They're not going to add a special prosecutor, and they have sanctioned the defense. They said that this was inappropriately filed. Don't do it again. They don't want any antics. So let me know what you guys think. If you have an opinion of it. My opinion, as I've always told you, I told you before the trials, I've told you before James Crumbley and Jennifer Crumbley were convicted, that they're going to do everything they can not to do this time in prison. So please let me know what you think. Remember, stay smart, stay safe, stay savvy. Be well, my friends. Bye, everybody.